Hey everybody, thanks so much for coming to Vegan Raw Fitness. Hi, I'm Dr. Ilan Bomani, where we are living, laughing, and loving. And today on our episode today, we are going to talk about Iris sea moss benefits and side effects and how to make Iris sea moss so you can benefit from it internally and externally. So let's begin. Iris sea moss is one of the most nutritional benefits from the sea for you and also for me. I want you to kind of see this right here. All right, let's see this. It literally comes from the sea and it is loaded, loaded with minerals and the essential trace minerals that the body needs, okay? We don't get that normally every day, and this is one of the best natural ways to get it. I found out about Iris sea moss from Dr. Sebi. But the thing about Dr. Sebi's suggestion as far as Iris sea moss, when I met him, was to cook it. Now, being into 80% vegan raw, I know and you know, the best foods are live foods. Having it in a bottle, having it cooked, you minimize the nutritional benefits that you can get from this awesome sea plant. And let's talk about that. I'm going to share with you 13 benefits of Iris sea moss today. But first, let's talk about the side effects. There are two side effects that you want to be conscientious of. Let's get that word out there. And the number one is it is a natural anticoagulant, meaning it's a natural blood thinner. So if you are taking any type of blood thinning medication, then you really want to err with caution as far as sea moss is concerned. Also, another side effect, or maybe a benefit, it's on both ends, is that it is a natural laxative. So you're definitely going to be properly regulated if you take Iris sea moss. So keep that in mind. So let's talk about the 13 benefits of Iris sea moss. And that's absolutely why I love it, is because it keeps my leukemia cancer in check. Because I break out in bruises and the like, okay? So I'm very clear, I need a natural blood thinner. So it keeps my blood flowing through the veins, okay? So with that in mind, that's what I really like it because the number one factor is it builds blood, okay? And that's what we want to do if you suffer from any type of leukemia. It also builds the immune system, okay? Also, varicose veins, it gets rid of that because once again, if you have toxins that are inside of the veins and things of that nature, it causes it to come to the surface, and you call it varicose veins, okay? But once again, it allows that blood to flow through your veins evenly and smoothly, okay? It improves digestion. So if you have heartburn, indigestion, you definitely want to take some phenomenal sea moss. In addition to that, it helps with colon health. We're talking about irritable bowel syndrome. We're talking about diverticulitis. It really helps soothe that colon area and makes the colon, ecological system really nice and smooth. The next factor is it heals tuberculosis. So you want to remember that mercurial buildup. That's what Dr. Sebi says. Mucus is the cause of all disease. So a lot of mucus in the lung area. It's going to get rid of the mucus out of the lungs. That's going to heal your lungs and heal your tuberculosis if you have that type of health challenge. It helps with prostate enlargement. So it really helps men if you're having any type of prostate issues. So you really want to be conscientious of that, okay? Has taurine in it to help with a healthy heart. Remember, most cholesterol issues or heart issues is the fact that the veins and also the arteries of the heart are clogged. So it will unclog it, open up the heart, so now we have a healthy heart. The other key factor now, once again, with that leukemia, iron level prevents blood clotting. So we want to get that iron level up, ladies and gentlemen, with all those minerals that we need to keep a healthy body is what it's all about. And number 9, we're getting to mucus from the body. All throughout the body. Mucus, it contributes to arthritic conditions. Mucus contributes to heart issues. Mucus contributes to lung issues. Mucus throughout the whole entire body, even in your brain region, can also contribute to Alzheimer's or dementia, because once again, we're not getting that blood flowing to the brain cells in order for it to work to optimum condition. You know, this whole health thing is real simple and easy if you follow it. Okay, and so number 10, ladies, you're gonna love this, full of collagen. Collagen, what? It helps with healthy hair, healthy skin, healthy nails, gets rid of wrinkles. I know you like that part. It's good for anti-aging measures and the like, and also good for hair, and is known to help with increasing hair growth, okay? So this is what I want you to fully understand. I said natural. I said number 10, collagen. Number 11, natural Viagra for men, a natural aphrodisiac. Yes, a lot of men from the Caribbean brag about it, state about it. One gentleman from Jamaica said, you know, might take too much, you might get twins. In St. Croix and the like, men rave about the fact that it keeps their seeds flowing and going, and let them have a wonderful, healthy sex life with their significant other. So keep that in mind. So in a nutshell, what I want to do is tell you, number 12, it helps with the hormonal system. Both men and women, it regulates that hormonal system for any type of imbalances that you may be experiencing. And last but not least, your metabolism. Remember, we talked about the thyroid. So if it improves your metabolism and gets that metabolism regulate, it can help with what? Weight loss. So as you can see, sea moss is a wonderful, wonderful superfood that you can have. And a couple of things, how you can make sea moss is via a smoothie. I like to have it in my smoothies, and I'm going to show you in the next video how to make a sea moss smoothie with my sea moss smoothie recipe. And in another video, I'm going to discuss even further the natural Viagra benefits of sea moss smoothie for men. Another benefit, you can make pies with it. You can make ice cream with it. I mean, sea moss, you can even put it in your, if you are vegan and you cook, then you can put it in your soups, and also you can put it in your teas. But like I mentioned to you, not at the best optimum level as far as that's concerned. In another future video, come back and I'm going to show you how to make, you know, a wonderful collagen mask for women in order to tighten your pores, get rid of eczema, psoriasis, acne with sea moss smoothie. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the 13 benefits of sea moss smoothie and the 2 side effects that you may experience with it. So let's show you now how to make sea moss smoothie. Okay, here we go. It's really simple. I've been soaking the sea moss for about 2 to 3 days. I've been so busy I haven't had a chance to make it. So it's been soaking, and it had a lot of salt on it. So I rinse, soak to get rid of as much salt content out of it as possible, okay? But it's the good natural salts that we really want for the body, okay? So you put it in your blender. It's really simple and easy to do. And if I can't stress it to you, so much cheaper than all those over-the-counter and all those store-bought, you know, when you take it internally or even externally. This basically cost me, I think, maybe about $3 or $4, okay? And it's gonna be, like I said, you can have it so many things. So I'm gonna fill this up with distilled water halfway. I use distilled water all the time, halfway from the top, okay? And then I'm going to put the top on this bad boy. And then I am going to, 1 second. Alrighty. All right, I'm gonna say champion juicer. Get a Vitamix juicer. You can get it from Amazon. I'm gonna try to put the link below. You can purchase that there to get the super power blender that you need. Okay, and if you don't have one, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. It's really, truly that simple, okay? And easy to make for yourself and also for your family, okay? So, but I want you to kind of see the consistency of it, okay? This is the sea moss gel to formulate. You see, now you can see it's actually just starting to really formulate and get kind of hard. And then you just pour it in. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how you can do it internally and externally. And you are done, 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 done. If you wanted a little less consistency, just add some more distilled water to it. Best. All right. So now, come back and we're going to show you how to make a sea moss, show you the sea moss smoothie recipe. And I'm going to make an awesome sea moss smoothie. And then in another video, I'm going to use the same nutrients and apply it to our face and look young and vivacious, healthy, and more importantly, cheaply. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.